Did you get it?
I got it.
Is it working?
Yeah.
It says record up at the top. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you're taking it off?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
take this off.
Polly's interested.
Yeah.
Hey!
Help!
Before you do them, that's what they look like.
1, 2.
Oops.
You didn't move. There you go. Perfect.
That's just so the fit, I think.
Yeah. Okay. 3. Cook. There.
3. So this is number, the 8th one we're cooking out of 15, right?
Oh, yeah.
There's one right there.
Creatures of the deep. 4.
There you go. He's still moving. Ooh, it's hot.
Backstroke.
How many is it? 3?
Now 4. That's 4. You got one more to put in. Make 5 to a pot. Put it in before he wakes up. Poor guy.
Okay, put the lid on.
Okay.
That's 5, huh?
Yeah?
All right! Now we gotta go get a picture of what they look like.
All right, now how do I turn it off?
I push it again, I think.